Wednesday morning, 9:45, 60 degrees outside Athens, Georgia, going to 78, 58 tonight, 80 tomorrow. We're going to be doing a review of this Ryobi 1 impact wrench. Brushless, 600 foot-pound breakaway torque, whatever tri-beam is, 4-mode, 3-year limited warranty, motor performance, brushless. We already opened it, but we haven't taken it out. So let's do an unboxing. Let's take it, get that rascal out. We're going to be using it on a flat tire. I say a tire shop put this tire on, and I've had tire shops twist off 3 lug nuts on one side and 2 lug nuts on another side using impact wrenches. They put them on with impacts instead of just snugging them up. They'll put them on and not torque them down. I mean, they'll tighten them all the way down with the impact nuts, just snug them up and then torque them down. Okay, inside here we've got our instructions, of course. All this junk, gobbledygook, whatever this stuff is. 18 volt, 40 volt, 80 volt link, Ryobi. I will check all that stuff out later. When I bought this at the Home Depot, there was a guy there. I didn't know whether to buy this one or the more powerful one. This one was $179. The other is $219, I think. And he said, this guy said that he uses this same one on the farm equipment and his tractors and stuff. So this one hopefully will be plenty strong enough. Come out of there. Plenty strong enough to do lug nuts. And if you're doing something on the side of the road and you've had the tire shop change your tires or put new tires on, more than likely you're not going to be able to change your tires by yourself, with what comes from the factory on the side of the road. So this will be cordless, battery, and I bought a special 6.78 socket for these lug nuts, because if you use a 12 point, you're probably going to round the lug nuts off, especially if they've been put on with the impact wrench. So let's put a battery in and sort of check it out. We'll go over there. We've already got it jacked up on jack stands, and so we'll see what it'll do. We'll also today, we've still got an oil leak. I tell you what, Jasper Engines, I'll never buy another engine from Jasper Engines. It's Jasper engine and transmission, and I'll never let that shop over there in Winder turn another wrench on this vehicle either. But we got an oil leak. You want to hit the road and do some autumn traveling. We haven't been able to hit the road in 6 months. There's something always wrong, but we still got that oil leak. I'm going to pull the cover off the engine, and the rear main seal's been replaced. Yeah, Jasper engine, rear main seal's been replaced. Pan gasket's been replaced. I'm going to check the valve cover gaskets and find out where this thing is leaking from and try to get that fixed today too. And also we'll try to carve a pumpkin, being the 30th of October. Halloween's tomorrow, and we'll see how Shopcat likes that. But okay, we got it jacked up, we got it ready. Let's put a battery in and let's see what things got to do. Okay, I like this. It's got different modes. 1, 2, 3 is high, 4 is automatic. We'll try automatic to start with and let it check its own, see if that'll pull it off. If not, we will switch it to high, which will be 3. So I like that. So you can snug something up and then you can tighten it up, or use your torque wrench then. So that's what people should do. This battery is showing 4 lights of charge, so it should have plenty of charge in it. Well, it's showing 3 lights, so it should have plenty of charge in it. So let's see what it'll do. We're going to start off on automatic and see if it'll adjust itself and pull these lug nuts off. Then we will, if it not, we'll go to the high setting. Yeah. Okay, we have got 6 of the lug nuts off. We're going to do a comparison between the Ryobi and a regular air impact to show you the difference in how much power difference there is in it. So let's go ahead, and we got this on automatic. Let's go ahead and do this one. Now I'm going to put it down and change the socket over to this one. Okay, now with the air impact. Oh, the socket came off. I think I got it on forward. Let me check. Okay, we had it on tighten, so we've already tightened it a little bit. So let's see. Get it on here. Well, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see if this one will get it. It may be too tight for either one of them. Oh, that brought it off. That's a surprise. I would have thought the air impact would have gotten it better. Well, maybe I don't need to take it back and get the more powerful one.
It's in a lot right there.
So that's interesting, but that's a good comparison. So anyway, I'm going to take that tire off. Got to take it to the tire shop and let them find the leak, whatever it is. Then we'll put it back on. We'll use the impact to put it back on, and with the variable settings, we can snug it up. And then, but I think I'm going to torque it up with the impact wrench rather than take it up torque it up with the regular wrench with the breaker bar rather than use this on it. I don't like the idea of them putting too much torque on these lug studs. So, okay, well, this may wrap it up. Okay, well, we're going to wrap this one up and go ahead and get it uploaded. And y'all saw the comparison, and that's a good air impact over there. So I'm very pleased with it. I don't think I need to go back and get the more powerful one. I think this one's going to be fine. Come on back down here. No, wait, don't go further up there. Guess we could drive up there. Like one group broke off and gone across the road up there now. Some of them came back. They may be coming back around. Tractor ought to run them down here for me.